Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arsenal. Friends, we have been getting and we are getting a lot of customization requests from our clients, and everybody's asking for a different design, different setup. This dining I've shown you in four-seater in video number 153, and now we have made the same design in six-seater. The chairs are same, and it's a 6 by 4, 6 feet by 4 feet dining size with a six-seater setup. This has got six chairs and all are without handles, so no master chair in this one. And this has got the walnut finish, one of the most like finish in polished shades. This is a double carved chair. The carving that you see on the front of the unit, similarly we have carving on the back of the unit. So double carved chair, simple nice design, and the height of the back is 4 feet. It's a little raised back from a regular chair. The sitting space is nice. It's a 21 by 20 inches space, so quite good for sitting. And the height is 20 inches, the sitting height. The dining table is 30 inches high and 6 by 4 feet, as I mentioned, and it's a heavy carved unit on all sides. The leg of the dining is a little different from what I've shown you in so many videos so far. It doesn't have a curve as we generally have. And the design here is quite thick, and then some step design. And similarly, the design pattern goes on the front part here. This is in teak wood, and the top is ply. The complete unit is in walnut finish, and the work, simplistic yet very beautiful, for a six-seater dining, a nice design, and this one is quite pocket-friendly design also as compared to other designs and other units I've shown you earlier. When I talk about pocket-friendly, I'll explain myself. We don't make cheap furniture. Cheap is a cheap word in itself, and we don't believe the old saying cheap and best. There is nothing like cheap and best. It's a wrong and misquoted term according to us. Something can be economical and it could be best also, but cheap is not best. And we don't work on cheap things, cheap furniture anywhere. No design of ours is cheap. They are masterpieces. They are crafted in wood. We don't use MDF pasting kind of stuff. These are carved in the wood. All the carving that you see is in the wood itself. All the carving that you see here, this is not pasting. This is not the work that is done by these dyes where people make designs by dye and then paste on MDF. These are carved on the wood, solid wood pieces, and this is the work of the artisan. Normally, what happens is there are moldings that are available everywhere, and the moldings are done in a mold, and then they're in different designs in flowers and leaves and petals. And what people do is they take ply pieces and paste that mold on the ply, and then together they join the entire unit, and thus the carving thing gets ready. Those are obviously very low cost items, and any carpenter can make that. But these things a carpenter cannot think of. These are made by artisans. All the work that you see, the hand carving, the drawing, the designing, and the concept itself is by the artisans. First, we have to think of a concept, then we have to draw it accordingly on rice papers. After that, everything, every part of wood is cut accordingly. Then they are fit together, and finally, this structure gets ready. On the structure, we have to do the polishing, then the cushioning part. Everything is done by hand with small tools. We don't use any big machines to get this done. This is a labor intensive industry. This is the art of Saharanpur, and around 2.5 lakh people are involved in this industry in Saharanpur alone. And Saharanpur is one of the biggest export hubs for furniture, for handcraft furniture across the globe. The work, the workmanship, and the quality. I've seen a lot of people carrying our images with our logo, and sometimes something is edited from our videos and people show you that pictures and say that this is our stuff. I request all clients to check the supplier before placing an order because pictures anybody can show you. I would request you to check a video of the person if he has made something in actual and the final output, how is it looking? Because this is an online business and you are trusting us on the basis of the photos and the videos. So on the basis of trust only, you are paying us so much money. We at Arson are trying to give you what you want. So a four-seater or six-seater or eight-seater or 10-seater dining, anyways you want, we can make it according to your requirement and deliver anywhere you want. This particular unit is going to Hyderabad, and the design, the work is in front of you in a video, in a clear video that you can see here. I would request the viewers, the people who are looking at this video, to do a critical analysis of our work. Let us know where we are lacking. We want to improve, and we want to improve a lot. And we want Arson to give you the best products available anywhere across the globe. Already we are supplying everywhere. We are exporting most of the countries across the globe, and every part of India we are sending the stuff. Still, if you feel anything is better, someone is somewhere making better things, let us know. We'll try to improve on that. Hope you like the work that we are doing, and I will request for a few comment of yours. Many thanks.